first copy of the day, and in this episode I'm going to be giving you the best tips so that you can take your IGTV content and just give it that pow that it so requires. Roll that intro. Hey, it's JK, welcome back to another episode on the channel. In this video I'm going to be tackling IGTV. It's a pretty new social platform that Instagram have rolled out that is separate from their sort of main photo sharing app. This is pretty much like a YouTube competitor. So far it hasn't proved itself to be better. I think they'll just coincide together and coexist together. Anyway, apart from that, they've rolled it out a couple of months ago, and loads of people have realized that you can actually start making good content on this. Instagram are working on monetizing IGTV. Many people have jumped on this boat, including me. You should too. And if you need some tips on how to do that, then this video is definitely for you. So let's jump right into the episode with tip number 1. Now, tip number 1 is to flip your camera sideways so that you are filming in a portrait orientation. By doing this, it allows you to retain the quality that you had when you're filming with your camera, because if you didn't do that, then in editing you'd have to sort of zoom in on the video or crop in. The quality, you'll lose a lot of quality and it'll look much worse. Also, when you film in a portrait orientation, then you'll know what's in the frame and what is not, because a lot of the time you'll miss the fact that your face is like half in frame and half not. When you're filming in portrait orientation, you can pretty much see the end result through your screen. Also, it is very important when making IGTV videos to be in the center of the frame, because when you're on your phone, you're always directed to the middle of the frame when you're like in a portrait orientation. So you don't really have to be sort of regarding the rule of thirds. Just be in the center of the frame. When you're using a portrait orientation, then you can clearly tell if you are in the middle of the frame or not. Now on to tip number 2. This is to create unique, curated content just for IGTV. Now what this means is to make separate videos that are not like your YouTube videos or whatever, separate for IGTV, and not just to repurpose your YouTube videos and just sort of turn it into a portrait orientation. The main reason for this is because why would they go and watch it in a portrait orientation when they can watch it in their horizontal form on YouTube with much better quality? So you want to make the audience feel that they're getting something unique, and they should be getting something unique from your IGTV channel. Now when I say this, you might think I'm a hypocrite because yeah, I do repurpose my YouTube videos and put them on IGTV. Now, this is not my main IGTV content. The main content that I do post on IGTV is my super vlog, which is like this short 2-minute daily vlog series, which I do every single day. Now this is only unique to IGTV. Sometimes it goes on stories. Out of that, it's on IGTV and you can't find it anywhere else. So these repurposed pieces of content that I get from my YouTube channel are only put there as a point of promotion so I can drive a lot more audience to my YouTube videos. I make them much shorter. They're like my shortified version. They're like 1 minute long. Gives you a taster of what the YouTube video is like. So then you're like, bang, I want to see that. It looks really good. You go onto my YouTube channel, more views. Now tip number 3 is to do everything on a computer. Obviously, apart from the filming, we don't want to be doing it on a computer, but definitely be editing on your computer. Now I just want to start this tip off by saying, please don't tell me that you don't have a computer. If you really don't, then your friend has a computer, your parents have a computer, or your library has a computer. Now honestly, if you can't find a computer anywhere where you live, I really don't understand how you're watching this video, because like if you have a phone, there should be a computer nearby your living area. Now let's move on from my computer rant and just talk about why you should be editing on a computer. Because I'm here to tell you that the videos that you make are not 100% unique. There are definitely a bunch of other people that are making very similar content to you. For example, Jesse Driftwood also does this kind of vlog thing. He did stop now, but like that he was in that space. Many other people do that kind of vlog thing with me. If you're making tech videos, well, you know, there's MKBHD, Your Average Consumer, TLD Today. There's so many people that are making great videos there. And then there's going to be a lot of the people that are in competition with you that are filming on their phone or filming on a camera, but they aren't editing on a computer. So you want to take advantage of the fact that they aren't, and you need to be setting that example, because what's stopping people from actually just switching and just going to watch Edward's videos instead of yours? You need your videos to stand out from the crowd if you want to succeed on a new platform. Well, it's sort of new. By the way, I just want to say you should be creating custom thumbnails for your IGTV videos, and if you don't have a platform like Photoshop, then whatever video editor that you're using, it can probably make pretty good thumbnails for your IGTV videos, so you can use that. I use Final Cut Pro. There's loads of free ones, description down below if you want to see them. Now before I end this video, I just want to drop a quick bonus tip. Loads of people have started making IGTV content, but they're telling me that they're not getting any views. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're not actually promoting your IGTV videos anywhere else. Promote your IGTV on your YouTube, your Snapchat, your Instagram, your Facebook, your anything. Whatever you have, promote it there. Because you want to drive as much traffic to your IGTV content as possible. And then you can drive people from your IGTV to your other platforms. So it's sort of this weird back-forth drive thing. Anyway, that kind of brings this to the end. And loads of people are going to be like, wait, Ali, this is really overkill. Why should I be doing this? There's no point. And I'm here to tell you that there is definitely a point. Because in a market as saturated as online video, you do not want to be doing the bare minimum. You want to stand out from the crowd. It's all about going that extra mile so people can appreciate your work and watch your content over the others. Now, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and they're all together with the notification button. It's just really convenient to click them all at the same time. Make sure you comment down below if you're already using IGTV or if you're planning to use it, or if you're not, in the comment section down below. You can check the description for my IGTV. Now, I am AKJKYT on every other social media platform, so go and check me out there. I do make IGTV videos every day, as I just said. In the description down below if you want to see all of that. And yeah, I hope I'll see you in tomorrow's episode, because here at AKJK, the grind is daily.